Hello everybody, this is Simon from FTMO, and today we are going to look at more successful challenges. And here we go. So this first challenge is on MT5 actually. I know this because this number indicates that it's MT5 platform and it's on IC markets, as you can see, IC market standard. Now, I will talk a little bit about this balance curve. As you can see, there was kind of a rough start, but in the middle, he actually managed to get his equity up and managed to successfully finish this challenge. Now let's simply go over his statistics. As you can see here, he actually managed to finish his challenge with $1,000 extra, which is great in my opinion. He didn't just finish his goal of 10,000 and give up already, but he rather went on and traded more and got more of a profit. And like he had many trades, his win rate was not so good, but when he won big, as you can see, because his risk-reward ratio is great. And yeah, overall a great challenge. He had no issue finishing his minimum 10 trading days. He actually got 17, so that is all right with us. Pretty consistent, as you can see. Now, because there are like no swaps whatsoever here, you can already guess that this is intraday trader. He just opens a position like in the morning and closes it in the evening or whatever. I don't know this guy's trading style. Most of his positions were actually longs. He bought more than he sold, and most of his profits were made on buys instead of sells. Now there are actually many symbols which he traded, many instruments which he chosen to trade with. Now as you can see, he chose actually many instruments to trade with, and this is US dollar and Canadian dollar, Australian dollar and New Zealand, and Euro and New Zealand. And overall, he just really traded on like many forex pairs, mostly, as you can see. Yeah, so basically, almost all of them are forex. Maybe there is a gold hidden, I don't know. But yeah, overall, great challenge. All right, so let's move to another one. This is actually a verification. And you can see pretty much similar pattern here. He started off and didn't do so great. Actually, his first few trades were successful, but then there is a large dip. Then he got up, and then in the end he managed to get some profit. Now his risk-reward ratio is not so great. His win, well, that's all right. Other trading objectives were done pretty all right. He had 5 extra trading days, which is very good. He had 66% positive days, and overall he just managed to do it quite well. Now, one thing that is not really that good, but like still he got through this verification, so he will actually become FTMO funded trader. But you can see there is a large spike in the end, and when we will look at his daily summary, you can just clearly see that he just opened a huge position. Well, actually, he opened similar positions before, but here is a really big one, and he managed to get all his profit in the end, which like we don't like to see that very much, but still he got through that. He will become funded, so like whatever. Now there are actually many short trades. He mostly sold when he traded. As you can see, also most of his profits were done on selling. And in regards to the symbols which he traded, he mostly traded British pound and Canadian dollar, and after that Euro and US dollar. And yeah, let's look at another one. So this is a challenge, and overall this challenge is very well finished in my opinion. Just immediately as you look at this balance curve, it's just pretty good. Over the whole period, he kept his account in profit, which is great. And you can just see a steady growth. This is actually a trader which we would like to fund very much. So hopefully this guy will go through his verification just as easy as he went through this challenge. Regarding his statistics, there is really nothing unusual here. He just went for 12 trading days. Regarding his positive days, like almost all of his trading days were positive trading days. His max loss was pretty good. His max daily loss was also pretty good. And yeah, he just went for it and successfully finished it. And now I'm just scrolling through this. There is really nothing unusual, but overall the performance is really good. His most traded instrument is British pound and New Zealand dollar. After that there is a gold. Now you guys know that after every single one of our traders finishes challenge, they will actually receive this account analysis, and let's actually look at this one. This account analysis is actually from the guy we have looked at before, and yeah, overall some general statistics as you can see here. Success rate was 74%, yada yada yada. Here you can compare how many longs and how many shorts he opened. This section will give you results for your longs and the results for your shorts. So as you can see, he actually was way more successful on his longs. Now if your trading is sensitive to any kind of patterns that occur over time, like for example on Monday when DAX opens, this is actually useful for you so you can compare your results in regards to the close and open. Here is a brief summary of the instruments that trader traded, and you can just compare long trades and short trades. And yeah, overall there is so much useful stuff, and because of this account analysis you can improve way more. Now this is exactly what I was talking about. If your trading is sensitive to any patterns that occur during the certain time of the day, this might actually help you, as you can see. For example, he was the most successful at this certain time and at this certain time. Alright, and there is one last thing that I wanted to show you. This is a congratulation survey. We actually sent to all of our funded traders this survey so they can actually share their experience with us. And all of the funded traders actually have to fill this out. Some of them can choose for us not to share it, but otherwise we share these surveys on our website. So if you want to check these out, you can actually visit our blog at ftmo.com. And let's just briefly go over this trader's answers. First we ask whether we can even publish his answers, and he answered yes. Now in About Me section he just said that his friend introduced him to Forex trading. Now his strategy is Elliott wave theory, BTMM methods, S/D zones, and like bunch of stuff, right? Now he says that the challenge and the verification helped him strengthen his discipline and improve his general skill as a trader. And this is actually quite common. Many traders say that they become more disciplined after the challenge. Now he says that he wants to improve his risk management, yada yada yada. You can go ahead, stop this video and read it yourself, right? Once again, he says that it improved his discipline and risk management. And down here you can see just some general feedback, whether he would recommend the challenge or not. So you can go ahead and read it if you want. If you, for example, become funded trader, you will have to fill this survey also, but of course we don't have to even publish this. Okay, so this is it from us, guys. Go ahead and leave feedback in the comment section. If you liked this video, go ahead and like it. Also, you can go ahead and subscribe to FTMO YouTube channel, and trade safe.